Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have an official case from Samsung to review for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I did pick up this case at pre-order, but I will have the links in there if you want to pick up this silicone case for your S24 Ultra. It comes in different colors. You can definitely pick out your favorite color. I got the yellow one to go with my yellow phone, and I just want to try this out. We'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? You know, does the overall fit feel good? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? All the normal things you look for in a case video. Now, it looks like the camera cutouts are precise, so I want to see that. But let's get into it. I don't want to make this video too long, but nice packaging from Samsung. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. I know it comes in different colors. Don't remember the colors off of my head, but you can definitely check out their website. They do make some solid cases for their phones, so we'll check this one out. Doesn't have MagSafe in there or anything, but I can tell the inside feels like a soft material, but the back is a hard, like, plastic there. Doesn't have much grip. It has some grip to it because of the feel of the case itself. You have some Samsung logo there. Now, what if the phone was this yellow? I don't know. But let's try it out on my yellow phone. So you have precise cutouts. The thing is, you don't get much of a camera protection there. You get some. It is very slim. Also, you do get more lip action than you get camera protection. But you can place it down. I just wouldn't slam my phone down at all. But you do get lip protection at the top and the bottom there. The power button feels nice and easy, nice and tactile. Vine rockers work great. Oh, I like that. I like the feel of that. Definitely like the feel of the Vine rockers there. Like I said, the power button feels good too. Everything lines up at the bottom. And at the top, you have two separate cutouts there. But I do like the precise cutouts though. I wonder if they could have gave her some more room for camera protection. The pen is pretty maybe not. It's not too bad, but I definitely could have used more of an indentation there. Something to get the pen out. But I got it out. It's not bad. If you have fingernails, it would be really easy. Now, bulkiness on this phone or this case is not bulky. Not a bulky case. It doesn't weigh a lot. And yeah, that's not bulky at all. So if you think you're getting a bulky case, no. And then the fit, look how, yo, like it's not even moving at all. It is not moving at all. And then to try to get it off, it takes some work too. You can hear that little snap. It's not too hard, so you're not going to crack your phone, but it does take some work to get it off of there, which is what you want. Man, I do like this. Maybe I should pick up a different color. Y'all let me know. But if you want to pick it up, like I said, look in there. One last thing. Can you wireless charge? Yes, you can wireless charge with it. I'm liking this yellow color. I'm definitely liking this yellow color. What if the phone was this yellow? That would be something else. All right, just a quick recap. Not bulky at all. You get some camera protection. You get better lip protection for your display. The buttons feel really great. The overall fit is nice and snug on here. Everything lines up. You have enough room for the pen. That could be a little bit better though. Could also have a ridge power button here. That would be better there too if it was ridge. But overall, I am liking this case. Again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.